welcome to my channel. Okay guys, today we're about to fix us some filet gumbo. And here are the things you're gonna need. We have our seasoning blend, vegetables for gumbo, okra and tomato, some filet for your seasoning. We have some cheratery, a few crabs, shrimp, and sausage. Also, I have me a few chicken wings I'm gonna put in there. And I'm gonna make me a roux with some flour and some vegetable oil. All right, here we go. First of all, I'm gonna start my roux with a cup of oil and a cup of flour to begin with. I'm gonna let my oil get extremely hot before I start adding my flour. And I'm gonna stir it until it get brown. All right. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna take my vegetables with some butter and I'm gonna place it in this frying pan right here to let them start sauteing till my okra dry out. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna put my okra and tomatoes in this pot. And I'm also gonna put me some seasoning blend in here with my okra and tomato. And I'm gonna let this cook down. And if you can hear my oil, it's hot. I'm gonna start adding my flour. Oil and flour. I have a cup of oil to a cup of flour. All right, my roux is almost where I want it. I have a cup of vegetable oil and a cup of flour. It's been going for about an hour now, and it's about to get to the color I want. In the meantime, I have me a pot with my chicken wings, and they've been cooking for about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna add my sausage. And I like the flavor the sausage and the chicken get when you fry your sausage in with your chicken. I'm about to put my sausage, my chicken. I have me a little cheratery I'm putting in here with my chicken and my sausage. And let this cook down for another 5 minutes. And I'm going to be adding everything to my roux. All right, I'm about to, this is my roux. And I'm about to add my okra, tomato, onion, all that stuff's been sauteing over there. All my vegetables. I'm adding it to my roux. And I'm also going to take my chicken and sausage, and I'm going to add it to here. I want all that flavor cooked down. All that. Sausage, chicken, okra, onion, bell pepper, celery, all that's in here. And what I'm about to start doing, I'm going to start adding my chicken broth. All right, and I'm gonna cover it and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Okay guys, I've been cooking my gumbo for about an hour, stirring every now and then. You can see in here. I have my rice going, and I'm about to take my filet, and I have some water, and I'm gonna put me a couple of tablespoons in here. Some people say you take this filet and put it in your bowl, but when my mom and them used to cook gumbo, you take it and you put it in a bowl, and you stir it up, and you put it in your gumbo. So I guess I'm old school. I'm sticking to what the old people used to do. And I'm going to add this to my pot of gumbo. All right, guys, here we go. Here's our gumbo. And it's looking pretty good. And we are ready for our taste testers. Hey guys, we're about to put our gumbo on a bed of rice. And here is our gumbo. Can we get in the pot? Here's our gumbo. All right. Here we go. And here we go. Okay, guys, we're ready for our little taste testers. See how this gumbo tastes today.
Let's try it, guys. It's good.
You like it? Good job, guys. Good job. Thank you. All right.
That's a little spicy.
It's a little spicy?
Yeah.
Y'all like spice?
Yeah, I love spice.
Oh, well, I think that's what gumbo's supposed to be, a little spicy anyway, huh?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
All right.
Good day.